Hi, Gary here from Crosby Volkswagen to talk to you about putting winter tires on your Volkswagen. Every Ontario driver knows that winter can be a dangerous time to be on the road. Let's make it a little safer, providing you with a breakdown of why winter tires are an integral part of your Volkswagen winter strategy. According to the Ontario Ministry of Transportation, installing winter tires on your vehicle improves traction and control in frost, snow, and icy conditions, and shortens braking distance by as much as 25%. This is important to note for those who drive Volkswagen 4Motion vehicles. That technology is designed to improve control and traction, but has a limited impact on braking distance. Always install a complete set of 4 winter tires. You should never mix different types of tires on a single vehicle. When choosing winter tires for your Volkswagen, it's important to select the correct tire. Winter tires are designed specifically for severe snow conditions. These tires are always marked with the 3-peak mountain and snowflake symbol. This symbol should be visible on the side wall of your tire. Contact your insurance company when you are installing winter tires. Some companies provide incentives or discounts to clients who have winter tires installed. Usually, Volkswagen vehicles come equipped with all-season tires. This name isn't an accurate definition of the functionality of the tires on your vehicle. All-season tires are designed to function in a variety of weather and traction conditions. However, they fall short of winter tires. All-season tires can start to lose grip at 7 degrees above freezing and will not provide improved grip on slush and snow. When should you install your winter tires? In Quebec, winter tires are mandatory between December 1st and December 15th. However, in Ontario, it is recommended when temperatures begin to drop to 7 degrees above freezing. This usually occurs in late October or early November. Obviously, if you are encountering snowy conditions, it's time to install your winter tires. Lastly, check your tires regularly during the winter season for pressure and damage. Cold temperatures can lower your tire pressure, and winter driving can cause damage to your wheels through potholes, curbs, or even hidden objects in the snow. If you have any questions or would like to book your winter tire appointment with us, don't hesitate to visit our website, crosbyvw.com, or call us at Crosby Volkswagen. Thank you for learning about winter tires during this time with us. We appreciate it, and we wish you safe travels over the winter season.